Good morning children, welcome back to our maths class. Today we are going to discuss two word problems. That is also coming the topic under the topic estimation word problems. There are only two word problems. This you do not do in your copy. This you learn it. Okay. Now here we have chapter 4 subtraction. The topic is estimation. Under estimation, under that topic we are going to learn word problems. That is exercise 4 F. 4F. Question number 1. In a panchayat election, the winning candidate obtained 8,356 votes, while the defeated candidate polled only 2,183 votes. Estimate the difference in their votes to the nearest 100. Find also the actual difference in the votes polled for them. That means here we are explaining in a panchayat election, one person got 8,356 वोट. Another one, जो हार गया है, जो जीते हैं उसको 8,356 वोट मिला, और जो हार गया है उसको 2,183 votes only get. Good. Then now we have estimate the difference in their votes to the nearest 100. The topic we are learning is estimation. That means we have already learned how to round off the number out of 10, 100 and 1000. Here you are getting a question, estimate the difference in their votes to the nearest 100. And also find also the actual difference in the votes polled for them. So here I made number of votes of winning candidate. Here you can see number of votes of winning candidate. That is 8,356. Again you are getting the round figure of this number in estimation. Nearest 100, 8,400. We have already studied when we round off a number nearest 100. Then we have to consider the number at tens place. Tens place we have 5. If number is 5 or more than 5, we have to add 1 plus with the number at hundreds place. So 3 plus 1, 4. So you are getting 84 here, and again in ones place and also tens place we have to put a 0. We have here we are getting 8,400. And now the second step I have wrote number of votes of defeated candidates. Number of votes of defeated candidates, that is 2,183. Here also, here 2,183 when you consider, here there is 8 at tens place. 8. So what we have to do? Here we have to add 1 plus the number at hundreds place. We have number 1 at hundreds place. So the round figure of the number is 2,200. Here we are getting 8,400, 2,200. Now let us subtract this number. So estimation of this number we will get 0 minus 0, 0. Next is 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 2, 2. 8 minus 2, 6. Here we are getting. Fine. Estimate the difference in their votes to the nearest 100. The estimation of votes, the estimation of vote, we can write here the estimation of 6,200. Now we have to find out the actual difference. Now find also the actual difference in the words called for them. What is that? Here 8,356 minus 2,183. 6 minus 3, we will get 3. We cannot subtract 8 from 5, so we borrow 100 from here. So we have 15 tens. 15 minus 8 we will get and 7. And here we have only 2 hundreds. 2 minus 1, we are getting 1. 8 minus 2, 6. So the actual difference is 6,173 is the actual difference, and the estimation of watts nearest 100 is 6,200 watts nearest 100. Nearest 100. The estimation of watts nearest 100 is equal to 6,200. Once again read. In a panchayat election, the winning candidate obtained 8,356 votes, while the defeated candidate polled only 2,183 votes. Estimate the difference in their votes to the nearest 100. Find also the actual difference in the votes polled for them. Solution: number of votes of winning candidate 8,356. The round figure nearest 100 we are getting 8,400. And number of votes of defeated candidate, that is 2,183. Then we are getting the round figure of that number 2,200, and the estimation of votes nearest 100 is equal to 8,400 minus 2,200. The difference we are getting as 6,200, and the actual difference is 6,173. Once again you see that. Here is our second question. Our second question is, a school A had 3,756 students. School A means here A is given as the name of the school. School A had 3,756 students, while school B had 2,356 students. Estimate the difference in the number of students in these two schools to the nearest 1,000. Find if it is same as the actual difference of number of students of each school. Here, now solution I have made for you. Number of students school A had, that is 3,756. Number of students school B had 2,356. Now the round figure of nearest 1,000 we have to make. Then when we make a nearest 1,000, we have to consider number at the hundreds place. Hundreds place we have 7, that is more than 5. So here we have to add 1 plus 3, then 4 at all hundreds place, tens place and ones place we put 0. So the difference, the estimation of this number is 4,000. The number of students school B had, that is 2,356. The round figure of that number is 2,400. Then what we have to do here? The number at hundreds place is 3. That is less than 5. So what we have to do? We keep the number as it is. That is then there is no change at hundreds place and tens place and also ones place we keep the 0. Now here we can say the number. There is the difference between these two numbers in we get as 2000. Okay, 2000. Now let us find out the difference. Nearest 1000 is equal to the difference, the estimation. The difference nearest 1000. 1000 is equal to 2000 and the actual difference, let us find out here. 6 minus 6, 0, 5 minus 5, 0 and 7 minus 3, 4 and 3 minus 2, 1. So the difference nearest 1000 we are getting 2000. 2000 and another answer, the difference, the actual difference we are getting as 1400. So we can say the last question, find if it is same as the actual difference of number of students of each school. Now we can conclude it is not as same. So we can say these are not, no it is, no it is not, no it is not. The difference, actual difference and the difference nearest 1000 we are getting 2000 and here we are getting 1400. So we can say no, this is not as the same. The difference are both are different difference we are getting. So here once again school A had 3756 students while school B had 2356 students. Estimate the difference in the number of students in these two schools to the nearest 1000. Find if it is same as the actual difference of number of students of each school. The steps you can see and the solution. We are getting the difference nearest 1000. We are getting as 2000. The actual difference we are getting as 1400. So both the difference are different. So we can say no, it is not same. This word problem you no need to write in your copy. This is only to understand. Just you understand how to make a word problem under estimation. This is you have to